I don't understand. You could equate it to something else to be heavy, but why do you have to throw it at someone? Well, hello, Life, Disney, and Beyond here. Spencer and Katie.
Hi.
We are your hosts, your guides through this journey today, which involves treats. That's right, treats.
Did you say treat?
I did. I got your attention, didn't I?
You sure did.
That's right. That's how I do it.
So we're going to be trying out some of the new things that they got over at the Jolly Holiday, a couple things from the Candy Palace. We thought we'd give you a little idea of what we think of them, so that way when you come here, you can see if maybe you might like them. But before we get started, take a quick second and subscribe to our channel.
Right there.
Become one of our Life Disney fam members. We love to have you.
Yeah, lifers.
And when you do, please make sure to hit the notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button. You want to be the first to know whenever we upload content, and we might go live sometimes.
You never know.
From here at Disneyland.
That's right.
You don't want to miss that. So first up, we're going to start off at the Jolly Holiday, one of our favorite places to get springtime treats. They always have something super cute, always good for Instagram, and they always taste delicious. So let's get started. All right, so these were the two treats that were available to us this morning. This is a carrot cake cupcake, $4.99. Cream cheese frosting with a graham cracker garnish.
Yeah.
And then all that cream cheese, little sprinkles, frosting carrots.
I was gonna say, that's not a healthy carrot, that's a frosting carrot.
It's a sugar carrot.
Yeah.
Then over here we have a key lime cheesecake tart type thing. So that looks pretty good. I love that they have like a glittery type, I mean, obviously I like it.
Of course.
But yeah, they have like a glittery little finish, glaze, whatever you want to call it. Some of those greenish pearls. All right, let's get him out. Oh, look at this. That is a, you know, some people say like, okay, that's kind of a lot. It's like a $4.99 for a cupcake. And first of all, you get a discount. But second of all, this thing is, you could knock
dense,
somebody.
right?
I could chuck this, which I won't, but I could chuck this.
Why would you do that?
I didn't like, and it could knock their eye out. Not in the carrot. That is a dense cake.
I like that your analogy to describe the heavy weight and density of it involves an assault on some human being. I don't,
like Schwarzenegger.
as opposed to like, you know, oh, it's really heavy, it feels like a lead weight. No, this is so I could throw this and hurt somebody. Like, you, what is with the violence? I don't understand. You could equate it to something else to be heavy, but why do you have to throw it at someone?
That's just what came to my mind.
Oh my god.
It's like a softball. It does kind of resemble like a ball, or, oh, I know why. I was watching the Babysitters Club last night and they were launching things. And so I guess that's what made me think.
Very violent. These people don't realize this nice little Katie, the Disney Bear. She's very violent.
Knock people out. Like, imagine if I had a launcher. All right, I'm gonna open this now. I'm gonna open my blunt object.
Yeah.
Or whatever you call it. You know what I hope they end up getting for spring again? Is the honeybee lemon cupcake. Oh, lordy.
That's pretty good.
That one's really good.
I know, I feel like we should be eating this in Critter Country.
Honestly, I do too. Rabbit would probably approve.
Yeah.
Okay, I got kind of messy.
Who gets the carrot?
There, we'll put the carrot
wow.
there. Look at that perfect deconstruction of carrot. It's a semi-firm, but you know what? We're gonna cut this cupcake first to see what's in the middle of it. Our story begins with the cutting of the cupcake. We shall see what's inside. And it looks like we have a dense carrot cake inside, with a very generous layer of cream cheese frosting.
It is generous.
That is very generous. More generous than me. Now my question is, does it have nuts in it?
Well, I'm gonna cheers with the carrot.
Oh, you're cheersing with carrot. Okay, you're going carrot. All right, ready? Cheers.
That's actually the best carrot I've ever had.
I have to say,
How is it?
so good. Sometimes cream cheese frosting can be a little too sweet.
Yeah.
This is not too sweet.
All right.
And the spice in the cake, it's like perfect. That's actually the best carrot cake cupcake I've ever had. I'm gonna have to say it.
That's really good.
That beats out a sprinkles one I think I had the other year. When I go in for a second bite, that means I love it. Is it a second biter for you?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
They didn't overspice it either.
Yeah. Perfect balance. I would say that gets 2 thumbs up and worth getting if you're a carrot cake fan.
Yeah, all right, cleanse the palate with some coffee.
This is your coffee and I just got lipstick on it.
Oh boy.
Coffee! Moving on to greener pastures. This is the key lime cheesecake.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my gosh, that looks silky. It's the best way to describe it. Look at that. Ready?
It's always hard, yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's good.
Pretty good.
I actually really like it.
It's zingy, but it's
yeah, it's pretty sour.
But it should be because it's key lime pie is usually like that. Oh,
Have
gotcha.
some coffee. It's good though. I actually like it. I definitely think
It's bright. It's very bright.
It is very bright. It's pretty tart though, so
It is tart if you don't like
yeah.
kind of a soury situation, which is, you know, kind of cool because both these treats are kind of opposite. Like the carrot cake is
really sweet.
You know, no, the carrot cake's not really sweet.
It's more on the sweet end of the spectrum, and then this is more on the tart end.
Yes.
But very good for like a hot spring day. The key lime pie is gonna do it for you.
Yeah.
That's really good, and it's a great texture. It's very smooth, very light too. It's not a heavy.
It is really light.
It's not a heavy, dense, thick.
No.
You know, kind of pie, but I actually really like it. Now, if you had to pick between the two, which would you pick?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake for me too, but I like sweet a little more, and I like cream cheese frosting.
I like them both, but I would say carrot cake if I had to choose.
If I had to choose,
If I could only get one of these things, I would get the carrot cake.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit bigger. It's like you get a little bit more for your money on that one, I'm saying. And you could split the carrot cake with someone if you wanted to.
Definitely. I don't even.
You know?
I mean, I don't know if I could eat a whole. I think I could if I was really rocking my double cheese fatty life that day.
It's like the size of a giant muffin, basically.
Giant.
Yeah. All right, next on the hit list, these are treats from the Candy Palace on Main Street. These are from like the walk-up counter inside, you know, where you can get all the brownies and the s'mores and the
everything,
cake pops and all that stuff. Well, speaking of cake pops. Look at those bad boys.
He's all chirp, 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 chirp.
Yep, we got the little
Life
chickadee.
Disney. I love Life Disney. It's my favorite YouTube channel.
And then, of course, Spring Mini.
Yay!
So one of them, the chickadee is vanilla.
Which is gonna be what you eat.
Right, and the chocolate is mini.
The mini is chocolate. So this is our sweet little chickadee. There he is. I don't know what the ears are though.
Those are
I'm
his
curious.
wings. Those are his
but I
little
mean,
wings.
I'm saying like I wonder what they're made of. I think marshmallow maybe.
Looks like a little mini marshmallow, yeah.
So I guess you'll find out.
Oh.
I will be embarking in this journey called Mini Cake Pop. Look at how cute she is. And they normally have an apple, a caramel apple that matches too. But
Oh, okay.
I feel like the Cake Pops were just a better option for us since we're trying so many treats.
Sure.
And you all know what a caramel apple tastes like. Ready? Cheers! Oh. Wow. That was chocolatey.
I'm not sure what the wing was.
I feel like there's a marshmallow.
It is. It's a marshmallow.
Thought so. This is the inside of the mini.
How was it?
Super chocolatey, delicious, and then the outside is like a white chocolate with little sprinkles inside. So that one's really, really good. I think this one's my favorite, not just because it's pink, but because it's chocolate.
All right, well, Katie's full, apparently.
Really full. I'm hurting. My tummy, I feel like I've expanded. Even though we didn't like eat the entire thing, just trying these things.
We just about did, and I'm sugar rushing. So we're gonna take off. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Seriously.
Yeah,
Let us know that you like it.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yep.
Don't forget that. And when you do, turn on your bell notifications.
That's right.
And of course, if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all the information on how to do so in the description box right there below.
We will, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!